Why are these so easy? Leave some for the rest of us, Saroj.
What is this supposed to look like?
All right, guys, we are here today with
Saroj.
and he's gonna learn to do a caveman. So we did all the white belt tricks and now we're moving on to the yellow belt tricks. The first yellow belt trick though is the one you learned last time.
Popcorn?
Popcorn. Let's see if he's got a popcorn. Let's see, did he actually learn it? First try, this guy. Okay, we're gonna make him 2 to make it true. Let's see, can he do it twice? Boom. Twice in a row, first try. Tell me the difference. When we first did this, it took us like an hour to get the popcorn.
I think what was happening now is I have the gear on.
He's got the helmet on. He's like, fight me, come at me. Nobody can hurt me. I got popcorn for days.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next trick is a little bit hard to teach holding a camera. I'm gonna need you to hold this for a minute. Front hand here, and basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna throw this board into your back foot like this.
What the hell?
And then, well, there's actually a lot more to that. It's not just like this, but this is a practice step. You ready? But what you're gonna do, what the trick is then you're gonna jump. And you're gonna jump on the board. So that's caveman, okay?
Okay.
Hold it, right hand like this, jump, land on the board, caveman. I believe you can do this. You scared?
A little bit.
On a scale of 1 to Spock, how scared are you?
Okay, maybe like a 7.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Is that your front hand?
This is my front right hand.
Yeah, so you want to put your right hand about there. Okay, now the first step is you're just gonna throw this into your back foot.
Okay.
Yeah, like that, and then drop the board.
Wait.
Okay, good, closer. Now do it again and drop it all the way, all 4 wheels down.
Boom.
The confidence exuding from this man right now. Leave some for the rest of us, Saroj.
I'll try.
Okay, now jump with both feet and land both feet on there.
Okay. Oh, okay.
That scared the living beep out of me. Okay, wait, let's get this cord and put that.
Okay.
Good, now jump on that board. First try!
Look at that.
Why are these so easy? All right, because I made them easy so you can progress. Yellow belt, baby. Okay, do it again.
Okay. No, that was...
Again. Nobody saw that. Okay, good. Really jump, you can jump. Good, that was good, do it again. For the video part. Yes. Oh, I think I might have cut your feet off a little bit, do it again.
Okay.
This cameraman.
You got one more in me.
I got one more in me, he says. Good. Now a little bit faster. I want to see the board and your feet off the ground. Do it again. Good. Now stay on the board. Good.
Caveman.
Caveman. I like it. We're going to take it. That's a pass on the caveman. Next trick, I believe, let me pull out the app. Next trick in the yellow belt foundation section is a boneless.
Look, I saw this in Tony Hawk Pro Skater.
You definitely saw this in Tony Hawk Pro Skater. Now that I'm thinking about this, the body varial might even come before the boneless. But you know what? We're gonna boneless this. You're gonna have to film this so I can show you how it's done. This is a perfect trick after the caveman because you just learned how to jump on your board. Now you're gonna step off with your right foot, take your back hand, and basically do that, right?
One more time?
Front foot to the ground, back hand lift the board up, just like that. But when we get really smooth at it, Saroj, you can roll, right? But for this, remember, we're working on your board control. We're working on getting you a little bit better and a little bit better. So I don't care how smooth you do it, how fast you do it, doesn't matter. Let's see you do it though. Now you're scared.
I'm lost.
What happened? Where'd you lose? Okay. 37 times 4.
37 times 4. 148.
148 divided by 2.
74.
74 divided by 14.
74 divided by that one's tough. 6 point something.
Okay, you can do a boneless. Put your front foot on there. Put your back foot there.
Okay.
Now, this hand, your back hand, is gonna grab the middle of the board there, and your back foot's gonna step off that way.
Oh no.
Good, now lift up.
What am I lifting up?
Your hand and everything. With the board, use your feet. Okay, like this. You ready?
Okay.
Front foot.
Uh-huh.
So your feet are in the safe zone here.
Yeah.
And then your front foot off.
Uh-huh.
Back hand,
Uh-huh.
lift. Just like that. You can do it. Yeah, lift. Good. And now put the both feet on. In this, you're learning the motions. It doesn't matter how slow you go.
Okay.
Grab, front hand, yep. Down, and put the foot back on. Boom! Good. Now you just do that fast and speed it up.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Why are you making that face?
What is this supposed to look like?
Okay, hold it.
Oh, so you're kind of like jumping back on.
Yeah, but you're just learning the motions, right? So
Yeah.
you're gonna go like,
And then step back
even if
on.
it's
Okay.
literally that slow,
Yeah.
but you have to build yourself up to it. Similar to
Okay.
the caveman, but now you're jumping with, you're not holding the nose, you're holding the middle, and it's the other hand.
Okay. Okay. Wait.
Whoa, whoa,
Wow.
whoa. What happened there? Man down.
I think my knees were straight.
Spock in the water.
Spock in the water.
Okay, run it, you got it. Wow, look at this guy, boneless heaven.
All right.
Okay, try it again, a little faster. We want to get like a bit of a jump in there.
Okay.
Good,
at
much
that.
better.
All right.
Now we're gonna get a bit of a jump in there.
Okay.
Jump. You gotta jump off that right foot
Okay.
and then land on the board. This might be difficult for you. Remember to let the board go. Okay, try it again. Good, good. Now let's get away from that for Pete's sake.
Okay.
Get over here where it's safe. Okay, there. Now go as fast as you can. Good, good. That was good.
And I stayed on top.
And you stayed on top of it. Good, very well done. Look at how fast he's progressing. Again,
Okay.
maybe I'm gonna teach him to ollie today. Too far. Good.
Okay.
Wow. I'm gonna film that to show you what that looks like, because it looks cool. Go ahead, do it again. I'm gonna film it with this device. Good, we're gonna watch that. You're gonna see what it looks like.
Nice. Okay.
Post it to the gram, straight to the gram. Okay.
Gram.
Okay, do it again. Good.
All right.
You got that?
I got that.
You feel good on
I
that?
feel good.
Okay, good. Now, obviously, you're working to build up your board control every single day. This is the whole point of the belt system: white belt, yellow belt, orange belt, etc. If every day he goes and he does these tricks, is he gonna get more comfortable on the board? Well, 100% guaranteed. Is he gonna get better? Yes. Is he gonna progress? Very fast. So the next one is a body varial. So you're going to remember where the safe zone is, between here and there. It's very important on this. Your feet are there. Now your upper body's gonna turn, then your legs, and you're gonna do a 180. You're gonna jump off the board, do a 180, and land back on the board. Body varial. Yeah, you can try it off the board first.
So I'm going this way, huh?
Yep. Okay. Good. Now, some people in the Braille Skateboarding Academy community have been doing this rolling. You don't have to do it rolling. If you want to do it rolling, you can do it rolling. It's definitely next level to do it rolling. So first, no motion, no rolling. Just do it, not even on the board, just how you were it, and then take it to the board. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You got this?
I got this.
You scared?
A little bit.
Terrified. I know, I see it in your eyes. I see it right in your face.
Right in my eyes.
Remember what Spock said. Spock said fear is irrational emotion and logic can overcome it. So just be logical.
Okay.
You don't need to be scared. There's no fear involved. Skateboarding doesn't have to be scary, it doesn't have to be dangerous. You need to learn it correctly.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Terrified.
You are? Really?
My feet don't want to leave the board.
Why are you so scared? Okay, I love this. Okay, we're gonna start out by jumping off the board then.
Okay.
Jump off. Good, again. You can break all skateboarding down into smaller steps. Again, just jump off. Okay, good. Is that scary? Is that hard?
No.
Okay, you got it. Jump off again.
Jump backwards. Okay.
Okay, now jump on and then off. Now do the same thing, but 180 off. Okay, good. It is a little bit scary for me too, because if he steps onto that nose or tail, it's not gonna be good. Okay, come forward. Just remember the safe zone. No nose or tail. No nose or tail. Okay, jump on, 180 off. 180 off. Good.
Okay, that wasn't so bad.
That wasn't so bad, right?
Okay, I'm gonna do that again.
I love his death-defying scared, and now he's like, that wasn't so bad. Good, again. Okay, good. That's good. We're proud of the boy. Okay, 180 off. Good. Wow, look at this guy. He's a real professional. Okay, do it again. 180 off. Dude.
Okay.
You got this?
I got this.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You need me to stand here to catch you in case you fall.
I got it.
Okay, you got it. Remember, bend those knees.
Okay.
Whoa!
First try.
What?
First try.
First try! Okay, why were you so scared then?
I don't know. No, that was fine. I totally got that.
What scared me is how close your feet are together on the land. Do it again and get the feet a little less close together.
Okay.
Good. Pass. Do it again.
Okay.
Good. Okay, you did something very important today. You know what that was?
What was it?
You overcame your fear.
I did. I was terrified, but then I did it.
So tell them, what was that like?
Okay, at first, I mean, I was just like, I was standing on the board. I knew I had to turn around, but I just like didn't want to, my feet wouldn't leave the board. But you know, once I got the baby steps in, I jumped off the board and on the board, off the board, on the board, and I just gave it a shot on the board. It was easy. I could do it. It was great.
It's amazing how the mind can build this thing up into something so scary, and then you just try it and you're like, wow, that wasn't scary at all. What the heck?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again.
Okay.
Good. Again. Good.
Boom.
You got that.
I got that.
That is 2 to make it true. That is 3 to build a tree. That's every situation. Okay, so you did popcorn,
Yeah.
caveman, boneless,
Yeah.
and body varial.
Okay.
All today.
Okay. That was fantastic.
Okay, well done. So if you guys want to learn how to ride a skateboard, I will personally teach you on the Braille Skateboarding Academy. Click that link in the bio, go sign up, and I'm gonna teach every single one of you and all the skaters all over the world. Let's go. It's time to grow skateboarding. It's time.